making the delicious macaron.
So about a year ago, we set out to learn how to make macarons.
Make the filling and the cookie as well.
This specific dough for the cookie requires a mixture that is meticulous, and a lot of patience must be put in it in order to get the right consistency into the dough.
Mix, 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 making the dough.
You know when your dough is ready for the cookie when you can get a perfect 8 with your spatula without it breaking apart. Yay! And we were able to do this consistently. And then we began piping it onto the tray so that we can cook it. Arya did a great job on this one. And even though they were delicious, we still wanted to get better at it and work on different colors and different tastes. So this year, as we began to learn about France and the amazing structures that this country has, we decided to try our macarons again and give it a whirl, but this time with a twist.
While we was waiting for the macarons, then we was building the Eiffel Tower. Did you know the tower is made out of iron? Must be a heavy tower. So we got fancy when we made our different flavors of our macarons.
We made pistachio. We made different colors. We used green, purple, pink, and Arya made a vanilla pink macaron. I made a pistachio, and she also made a white chocolate purple macaron.
And I was so proud. I started sharing it with my neighbors.
She even gave them a song that she composed.
Yeah.
Hope you guys liked our video.
Yep, bye.